Welcome to Keep Up With D. My name is Dream, and I'm a YouTuber, y'all.
I'll take you farther than Mexico. Yeah. You still got niggas hard pressed to you though. I know you shorty a 10, but not the messy hoe.
It been a minute. It been a minute since I've been on here. It been like 20. Sorry for not posting, guys. I just been outside every weekend. Just been living life. But I've been sick. Well, I was sick like 2 weeks ago. 1 week ago. But y'all, so today's vlog is my night routine. I might add the clip when I was putting these in. But I'm not gonna lie, my mother just put this in. Because I couldn't redo it. And y'all, I'm talking like this because I have a lip now. As y'all can hear. And I got my brown braces yesterday. And also, they put that in my mouth. So, I can't really talk. And my voice is gone. It's coming back. Because it was worse than this. But, yeah, y'all. I'm going to show y'all my night routine. Thank y'all so much for 300 subscribers. You've been 400. I'm at 335 right now. So give me the 400 by the end of this month. We should make it there. But I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever I do. Hey y'all, so I was going to do it in my bathroom, but my sister in there playing music. And I don't want to get copyrighted. And y'all, don't mind my lips for real. Don't be doing too much, y'all, because I can't talk correctly.
Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and not shit. You a damn drug, you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm in the bathroom. I'm in the shower. Yo, these hurt so bad. But I'm in the shower. I'm gonna put the do-rag on my head. So we can lay my hair down. I'm gonna put my bone on. Oh my god. My mother put this on last night. I should go back down there to her. But I don't feel like doing it. Y'all, I gotta be independent. I look a mess right now. I don't think I want to show you this because I look a mess. Y'all, I can't even say freaking mess right. This is too much. Yo, look at this shit. I look a mess. For real. I don't know how my mother did it. Ugh. She always know what to do. I don't. Hey, let's try like this. Let's try. What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna try like this. But I'm gonna. I guess I'm gonna put it on. I'm tired. Cause I look like a cancer patient right now. But I'm gonna get a shower right now. After I get a shower, I'm gonna back to y'all because I brush my teeth and all that. I wash my face while I'm in the shower. But I'm not washing when I got a shower so y'all can see what I be doing for real. Yeah, I'm gonna back to y'all when. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. I just got a shower. But I don't feel comfortable here with a towel. So I have my towel on and then I put my robe on. Over top of it. But I'm gonna brush my teeth now and wash my face. I'm gonna try with soap I use. My mom got it from the TikTok shop. It helped my face clear, my face. Somebody even noticed that soap. They said my face has gotten clear. So yeah, but I'm gonna set it up and then yeah.
Give me extra credit, baby, out to nowhere. What you wanna do? Now it's me and you. Come on, yeah. So right. I'm so right. You can be my ooh, you can be my super. Sing me here I am, 'cause there's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you. I'll give my all to you. I promise I'll never hold me together, picture perfect. I'll spend all my money, all my time, because you're worth it. It's just me and you. What you wanna do? Make me move. Call me mama, spoil you like a baby. You got me thinking about you, dreaming about you.
Okay, y'all, so the phone had died on y'all. I was brushing my teeth and washing my face. I washed my face up. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my face and yeah, that was good. And then y'all, after I'm eating, I know I just brushed my teeth, but I'm eating. I got me some Chipotle right there and I'm eating. I'm gonna show y'all me eating and we watching that TV. Cause like, that shit was so good, y'all. Well, I gotta look at the juice too. But like, let me look at the Vaseline and I like the big picture. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. Y'all, I don't know if I feel comfortable like this. But like, you can't see my, okay, whatever. Okay, so y'all got my Vaseline. I don't know why I sound white, y'all. I don't know what type of Vaseline this is, but it's Vaseline, y'all. It is Vaseline. I'm gonna get something to put my face. Usually I put my cream on my face, but like, it don't really matter. Because at the end of the day, like, I don't know, but they both kind of the same thing, but my cream lasts all day. Like, my face still be decent at the end of the day. Like, everybody just be asking me why my face so greasy. It's because of my cream. Because I have, like, I'll break out real bad. I got bad skin throughout, like, seasons. And it depends what season it is. I have this one. I got this one Shania party. I have them nowhere. My other deodorant broke, y'all. It broke. I don't know how it broke, but it broke. So, oh, y'all. So I'm gonna be doing more pranks because I think y'all like that prank. Well, I know. Oh, I got 4 G's close to my bed, but I know y'all like that prank that me and my best friend did. Because a lot of people tell me like do my pranks right and stuff, and then y'all enjoyed that video. So since I did that video, I'm gonna do another prank, but it's not gonna be with her. I'm gonna do it personally on somebody. Y'all gonna see soon. I'm gonna do it soon. And somebody asked me to do another Q&A. So like, if y'all have any suggestions, if y'all have any suggestions for like what y'all want me to do, y'all can comment that down below or text me on Instagram. My Instagram is at keepupwithd_. It's the same as my what's the name, but just put an underscore at the end. And yeah, people just be coming up to me in school, y'all. They be like, oh, I watched your videos. I be feeling famous because it's like, oh, hey, man. Because like, what? Like, I feel famous. I'm not there yet, but I'm getting there. But it just say 335. Give me the 400 subscribers, y'all. I'm gonna start eating and watching that TV. Y'all just look at my races all the time. Like, they just so cute. I don't know. I just love them. They hurt, though. They hurt. But I love them. And this, oh my god. That hurt, too. But I'm gonna set it up so y'all can eat my food. Y'all, I gotta eat slow. Because it blocks it. But I'm gonna get used to it eventually. But, alright. Right, I'm talking. I think I talk a lot. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna get to y'all when I'm starting to eat. Okay, y'all. I thought I heard somebody ring. Okay, y'all, but so Y'all, I'm watching on TV. This is South Central Bay's reunion. Oh, first 48 reunion part 2. And I had my Chipotle. If you're wondering what I got in my bowl, I got white rice, queso. Yo, I don't think I got cheese this time. Cause that, oh my god, yo, let me tell y'all how the one that we went to this time, it was ghetto, like, little bit of. But I got white rice, queso, chicken, lettuce. Yo, this is my first time eating lettuce. It's good. I don't get lettuce, but I just tried to try something new. I got corn. There's something else shit, yeah. But I also got a side of queso. So that's why I got my boo. Let me show y'all how like I eat. It gotta be a good bite. But yo, I don't really like lettuce, so but like it make my bowl look fuller. So okay. This, and then I put my queso on my stuff. But it's taking too long. I'm gonna watch my now TV, but it's taking too long to come out. So I'm gonna just dip it in there. Right? And y'all, I can't eat because I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a silver cat right here and a silver cat right here. And they connect together, and it's just hard to eat. And my body just hurt like shit. Because it's got like last week, yesterday. But, alright. Okay, so it's really the chicken that's like hard to eat. It should be softer, but okay. But I got some upcoming things. Let me tell you some upcoming things that's like coming from me. So first of all, the 25th I got my nails done. Yo, I'm gonna add my nail tech. She's so good. If you're in Baltimore City, don't go to her because y'all be booking her up so fast. It makes me mad. But March is already taken up, but what's at this? April, yeah. April, go book her. Don't book too much because I need to get my nails done again. But I get my nails done 25th by her. She don't charge for shaping. She don't charge for a lot of stuff. And y'all, she's very cheap. This was $37. Go, I'm gonna put her thing right here. And also, the next day, after that, the 26th of March, I start Trek. You can really be a trick star, y'all. I will be a trick star. I don't know if I'm gonna see who I run with. I don't know. I don't think I can say who I run with, but like I don't like saying it. But I start the 26th with my homegirl Melanie. And then my rays was looking kind of bad at first. I was slacking, but they look better. I only got one shoe, 160 plus. That grade rate go right up. So it's okay. And in math, I got a B or a B plus or B minus, one of them. And in ELA, I have a B too. So yeah, but my grades are that. I'm gonna try to get all these again, y'all. Getting all these, let's see. Let's like this time wasn't hard because like that semester wasn't hard. But this semester, y'all, it's getting hard. It's real hard. Like, yeah, I don't know, I can't think of no more like stuff that's coming up for me. Let me see. That's my sister. But basically, y'all, so in ELA, we have, we're doing a magazine, like a legit magazine, a literary magazine. Like, you can get this magazine. And my writing is gonna be in there, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I forgot. I was gonna be called Dreams Nightmares. If you're at my school, make some submissions because we need some more. So make some submissions if you're at my school. We doing pop-ups, so we've been doing pop-ups at my school, and like we've been getting a lot, I guess, but like many more. But yeah, y'all, can you get out of my room?
I'm trying to see something.
Bye, get out. Why are you in my room? Okay, but y'all, ELA, we doing a magazine, so my whole semester for quarter 3 and half of quarter 4 is gonna be about magazine. So we don't really do no work in Mr. K class, but a magazine. We like doing semesters and shit and stuff. I'm in the writing division. But yeah. Oh, yo, my thing matched. It is different colors. My pants and my thing, it matched. Yeah. I can't think of nothing else. So I got just wait to see me eat and watch my show. So, but it's only for like, I'm probably gonna do this for like 10 minutes and call it a day. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, so this has been in this video, but let me tell you something. Joyce keep talking about they not jumping, nobody jumped you, girl. Y'all keep jumping Kenzie and Barbie. And then when Persuasion come out there, Persuasion went off on Kenzie. And Joyce jumped her. Like, what? Joyce, makes sense. But this is the video. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified anytime I post. I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos will be coming out very soon. I promise y'all. For real. I'm going to be coming back with bangers. Yo, I said bangers like the YouTube. Oh, excuse me. I said bangers like the YouTubers. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell to be notified anytime I post. Hold on, because let me my signature move. Bye, y'all.